I have been cooking a lot for you. I am gonna serve you. It's about to go down. Hey, hey, it's about to go down. Happy weekend, beautiful people. I have been cooking a lot for you. I am gonna serve you. I'm gonna serve you starters. I'm gonna serve you main meal. I'm gonna serve you dessert. You will be fed until you are fed up.
I am a dreamer. I am a creator. I am a leader. I am a woman.
In the meantime, I got this from TikTok shop. I don't know if you are you are not a fan, but I got them partly because of you. So this is this 3-side mirror thing. I've been meaning to buy it for a while now. For every time I make my hair myself, I've never done that. You know that place mirror in front of you, behind you. I will just trust my fingers to lead the way. But you know, because of what I'm cooking for y'all, I thought to, let's do it well, let's do it well. So I got me this. I hope it's as displayed. Okay, it's well packaged, and I want to believe it's safe and secured. How did I open them now? Okay, I'm trying. I don't want to look at the manual. I want to believe I'm doing the right way. The manual for okay. It's 3-way. See, 3-way, and you just pull here. You pull this and hang it by your door or wherever. You can extend it as long as you want it to be. And extend it. There is a clean film in the face. Let me remove it. Tiaroba. This is nice, honestly. Can you see? Copy that. Hey, hey, hey. We are gonna start styling. I'm gonna look here. I can look here. I can look here. And look at this place. I can see my back from here. 3-way, Sefini. And if you don't want it here, and we are done, just bring it down and fold it again. And you go keep it where safe till your next use. One of my greatest buy. I love it so much. It's long overdue, to be honest. Finally, I'll be doing my hair plenty. This one safe is when I want to take it down. The inspiration of different styles are not coming. It's going down this night, honestly, so that we can start the new week with something new. You get me? You feeling me? Are you feeling me? What do we have today? I think. Oh yeah, this one. I thought to change my smartwatch. I got this one, and it came with 2 stripes. That's what caught my fancy. I'm gonna try back. And I don't want this video to be long. So that is it. I like it so much. That's the head. And a navy blue stripe, a black stripe, and airboard. I love it. The charger, I think, and yeah, very nice. We are coming to that fully. Let's see. All right, I got a new mic, a new lapel mic. The one I have is doing one kind, and like I said, I'm cooking a lot of things. You need to be hearing me crisply. Is there anyone like that? Crisp, whatever, Shall hear me clearly. So that's the mic. Where is it now? There. Oh, this is nice. This is part of the reason I got it. I think these are the accessories. Yes, as stated. This would be not will break, though. I never even use them. This one is the accessories. I think the part you will clip the mic on, yeah, the accessories. And the main thing here, this is so cute, unlike the ones I had before. So this will go under your phone or whatever you want to use. And this is the mic. It will go somewhere, right? Again, yeah, is that okay? Yeah, because I know I saw this, the fluffy one. The fluffy one will go. We will check the manual very well, but it will be somewhere, you know. Hello, beautiful people. Hi, blah 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 blah. You know, that one is there. What is this? Okay, I think I know what this is. It's a wig stand. Since I moved, I don't know where I kept the one I was using before. I've checked the garage. I don't know. You know, when you are moving house, sometimes you don't. I don't know. So I got me a new one for the mannequin. Yeah. It's let's see. This one goes to the top. I think it's tall enough. Shame, how should I have? Alright. I think it should be released here. There. It's nice. It's nice. You will see it when I start using it. Yeah. That's for that. I got this. It's a sieve. Let's do everything. You see, where's it? Let me fasten up. What sieve? I don't know. Okay, let me just use scissors. It's a sieve for kitchen. Yeah. Okay, so this is what they look like. These are some lip pencils. I sadly buy makeup anyhow online, except their known brands. But I said, let me risk this one. See, a lipstick. And I don't want this video long. Okay, I was able to. Yeah. Go. I like the packaging. So that's the brown. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Emergency low. I'm a later. So I got two shades. Okay, I got this one. Bling, 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 bling. Bling, 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 bling. You know, we'll do that later. Yes, I think that's all for this. And this one, right, the opening place. So, okay. The packaging is fabulosa. It's fabulosa. It's a lot. It's plenty. Basically a fabric freshener, a multi-purpose cleaner, a room perfume, disinfectant cleaner, fabric freshener, room perfume, multi-purpose cleaner, disinfectant cleaner, and the nozzles, different nozzles. That's about it, guys. Good evening. I don't know how to even end it, but there was an unboxing, and you shall be seeing me in camera. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Bye, 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 bye. Mwah.
I am a dreamer. I am a creator. I am a leader. I am a woman.
Hello, beautiful people. This is Funky Show.